Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please do support our channel. We work very hard to bring you videos that will help you become knowledgeable about how to handle vehicle issues that may arise. We consider our efforts on your behalf to be very useful and important. This is part 2 of our series on fixing wipers that won't shut off. If you missed part 1, make sure to check it out for the initial inspection steps. Now, let's get into the detailed troubleshooting and how to fix this issue. D-fixes versus professional repair. When your windshield wipers won't shut off, deciding between a DIY fix and professional repair can be challenging. Let's explore when you might handle the problem yourself and when it's best to seek expert help. When to attempt DIY repairs. Attempting a DIY repair can save you money and provide a sense of accomplishment. However, it's essential to know when it's appropriate to tackle the job yourself. Here are some situations where a DIY fix might be suitable along with the risks involved. Simple electrical checks. If you're comfortable using a multimeter, you can check for basic electrical issues like blown fuses or loose connections. Replacing a fuse is a straightforward task and doesn't require specialized tools. Inspecting physical components. You can visually inspect the wiper motor, wiper switch, and related wiring for any clear signs of damage or wear. Look for frayed wires, corroded connectors, or obvious signs of rust. Replacing small parts. Swapping out small, easily accessible parts like the wiper relay or the switch can be a manageable task. Ensure you have the correct replacement part and follow vehicle-specific guides or manuals. Risks involved. Misdiagnosis. Incorrectly identifying the problem can lead to further issues. Potential damage. Improper handling of electrical components can cause additional damage to the wiper system or other vehicle electronics. Safety concerns. Working on your vehicle's electrical system without proper knowledge can pose safety risks. When to seek professional help. Sometimes, the problem is beyond simple fixes and requires the expertise of a professional mechanic. Here's when it's best to consult a pro. Complex electrical issues. If you've gone through the basic checks and the problem persists, there may be deeper electrical issues at play. Short circuits, complex wiring problems, or ECU, electronic control unit, issues are best left to professionals. Persistent problems. When the wipers continue to malfunction after your DIY attempts, it indicates a deeper issue that requires specialized diagnostic tools and expertise. Mechanics can use advanced diagnostic equipment to pinpoint the exact cause. Warranty concerns. If your vehicle is still under warranty, attempting a DIY repair may void it. Professional service ensures your warranty remains intact and covers any repairs. Safety and reliability. Ensuring that your wipers function correctly is crucial for driving safety. Professionals can guarantee a reliable and thorough fix, giving you peace of mind on the road. Knowing when to tackle a repair yourself and when to seek professional help ensures that your wipers are fixed correctly and safely. It also helps avoid unnecessary expenses and further complications. Stay tuned for more information on how to keep your wiper system in top shape. Preventive measures. Keeping your wipers in top shape ensures they won't leave you stranded in a rainstorm with a windshield you can't see through. Let's look at some preventive measures that can help avoid such wiper-related issues. Regular maintenance. Regular maintenance is crucial for making sure your windshield wipers work properly. Just like other car parts, wipers take a beating and need some care to stay in good condition. Frequent inspections. Check your wipers every month for signs of wear and tear. Look for cracks or stiffness in the rubber, as these can cause the wipers to work less effectively. Replace worn blades. Manufacturers often suggest changing wiper blades every 6 to 12 months. If you notice streaking, skipping, or squeaking, it might be time for a replacement even sooner. Clean your windshield. Dirt and debris can damage your wipers and your windshield. Clean both regularly to avoid unnecessary wear. Check the wiper motor. Listen for unusual sounds from the motor. Strange noises could be an early sign of failure. Inspect electrical components. Ensure that all wiring and connections to the wiper system are secure. Loose or corroded connections can cause erratic wiper behavior. Regular checks and maintenance can help you catch potential issues before they become real problems. Tips for longevity. Extending the life of your windshield wipers and related parts isn't hard if you follow a few simple tips. Here are some steps to help your wipers last longer. Keep blades clean. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the wiper blades every few weeks. This removes dirt and debris that can cause streaking and reduce effectiveness. Use proper windshield washer fluid. Avoid using water or household cleaners. Stick to washer fluid designed for automotive use to keep your system running smoothly and prevent streaks. Lift blades during winter. When parked in cold weather, lift the wiper blades off the windshield to prevent them from freezing to the glass. This small step can save your blades from damage. Avoid using wipers on a dry windshield. Running wipers on a dry windshield can wear out the rubber quickly. Use washer fluid to wet the glass first if needed. Park in the shade. If possible, park your car in the shade to protect the wiper blades from UV damage. Prolonged exposure to sunlight can make the rubber brittle and less effective. With these easy tips, you can keep your wipers and their components in great shape for much longer. Regular care and maintenance not only ensure better performance but also save you money in the long run. Stay proactive, and your wipers will be ready when you need them most. Addressing windshield wiper issues quickly can keep you safe on the road. Faulty wiper motors, defective switches, or electrical problems are common culprits when wipers won't shut off. Regular checks and maintenance are key to preventing these issues. Taking quick action ensures you won't be caught off guard in bad weather. Aim to identify and fix wiper problems early. A well-functioning wiper system isn't just about comfort, it's crucial for safety. Stay proactive, and keep your wipers in top shape. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.